Hi, Ethan. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's do this. Okay? You go there, baby. I'm gonna give you this number and then you have to match it with this one, okay? Okay, find that one. What number is that? What? What number? What number is that, baby?
7.
1. It looks like 7, but it's 1.
Mommy,
It's okay. You did it. There you go. What about this one? What number is this?
one of those.
What number is that? 6. Oh, where is 6? Try 6. Find 6. No, it doesn't. Yan. 6. Okay. Yes. What about this one? What's number?
8.
What's the number?
8.
8. Okay, where are you gonna put the 8? Very good. 8, 0. What about this one?
6.
What number is this?
5.
5. Good job. Okay, you put it.
Father.
Yes. Where are you gonna put that number 5? Huh? Where are you gonna put the number 5? There. Very good. And what number is this?
Mommy, I said.
What number?
I said.
Huh?
I said.
Good job.
3.
3. 3. Okay.
Mommy, 5.
5. Yes. Oh, you put number 3. Ayos naman, baby. See? Wow. Did well. Oh, let's fix it. Mommy will fix it for Ethan. Oh, see? I'll fix it for you. What about this? What's number?
Apple.
What? What number is this? Huh? What? T? It's not T. Number.
Baby.
That's B. Yes. But this one is what number? You know that. You go there and put it there.
What's that?
What's that? What's that? Upo ka, baby, para makita ka. Dito. Oh. What number? Here. What number is that? What number? 7. Oh, you put it 7 na there. Good boy. Oh, balik ka dun. Dali, dali. You still got?
Mommy, 8.
Oh, yes. What number is this? 2. Aba, alam mo ito kayo na. Very good. Wow, very good. What number is this?
3.
What number? No. No, it looks 6, but it's not. More 6, it's 9. 9. Okay, where is number 9? You've already seen it. You've already... No, that's not... Does it look like a 9, baby? There you go. Very good. Okay. Okay, what about this one, baby? Look. You know this number? 0. Okay, where are you gonna put 0? Yes, okay, you can put it there, baby. Good job. And the last number, lucky last. What number is this?
Apple.
No, this is not an apple. What number? This is not an A. It's a number. Number what?
4.
4. Very good. Where are you gonna put 4? Yes.
More.
Clap your hands first. Clap your hands first.
More.
More? Oh, clap your hands first. You wanna do it again?